central bank customers are listening. They're taking in this information. They're evaluating the products and services that the currency industry is presenting to them. They're then cross-checking those products against their unique market needs. And in most cases, it is then and only then when we will see the true voice of the customer emerge. Increasingly, we're seeing central banks come to us looking for tailor-made solutions, custom solutions that perhaps don't exist today, solutions that will require innovation. And they need these solutions very quick. Now, a great example of a central bank who challenges the currency industry to do more, who pushes us to do better, is the Central Bank of the Bahamas. As the bank embarked on their journey to upgrade their $50 banknote, they scanned the market, and they quickly identified two key inputs. First, Lancart's Durasafe substrate was selected for the unique value prop that offers. Second, the bank would not settle for anything less than Crane's Rapid Thread. The dynamic, engaging effects, the ease of public authentication, and the next level security made it a must-have for the Central Bank of the Bahamas. One small problem. Micro-optics had never been embedded in a substrate other than cotton. This was conveyed to the central bank. Is this possible? Probably. Was it going to be a slam dunk? Definitely not. It was going to require trials. It was going to require R&D efforts. But the bank stood firm in their position. They knew what they wanted, and they challenged the industry to deliver. The industry rose to the challenge. Fast forward 2 years, and a beautiful $50 note is circulating on the streets of Nassau and throughout the islands of the Bahamas. The pride of a nation. Check it out for yourself on the Europol website. Read some of the articles. The counterfeiters are masterfully reproducing the banknotes in several countries, making it almost impossible for day-to-day transactions to take place and for the ordinary consumer to differentiate between an authentic note and a fake one. These days, when counterfeits hit, they hit hard and they hit fast. Oftentimes, input materials for these fake banknotes are purchased on popular e-commerce websites and then the fake notes disseminated on the dark web. Our phones started to ring. Emails started to come in. Central banks, and in particular, polymer-issuing central banks, wanted more. They saw the eagle flying in Ghana. They saw the fish swimming in the Bahamas. They also noted the masterful integration of this new security feature into the overall design of the banknote. At Crane, we put our most skilled designers, R&D professionals, on a special assignment. We needed to deliver.